Hello guys, welcome to another video. So we are going bowed, like bowed, pow.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels.
I'm just joking, we're not going bowed, but we are doing the bowed time. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of me making my hair from washing to straightening, then making up my hair. So grab your popcorn and stay with me. Let's go. The first thing I did was to wash my hair. I've literally been putting my hair in a bun and using gel to slick it down. It all needs to go now. I know I could have washed my hair myself to save some money. I just don't have the strength this period. My hair was wrapped in a towel to pat dry and prevent water from touching my body also. The lady was in the middle of making someone else's hair while she washed my own, so I had to dry my hair myself. I'm not complaining. I had to come back in the evening to straighten my hair. Mind you, she was still making the person's hair, but I already booked an appointment with her a few days ago and made half payments for the people that will come for me. Don't worry, she added its protector before straightening it. So my hair didn't burn. She is safe, don't worry. My hair today, but I straightened my hair yesterday, and this is what it's looking like this morning. It's already shrinking back. I can't even comb it freely. Before I straighten it, I have to put a little water. So let's go make my hair together. So we are going bowed, like bowed, pow. I'm just joking, like we're doing the bowed hairstyle. You know the bowed hairstyle? Yeah, we're doing it. This is my first time of making it. I don't know what's going to look like in my head, and this is first time making hair in this salon. So I hope it's not what I ordered versus what I got. I hope it's what I ordered. I'm going to get. But she showed me a picture of the one she made on someone, which wasn't bad actually. So that's why I want to trust the process. So this is the inspo we are working with. I showed her, she said no problem. The pattern took more time than was being shown there, which is kind of expected. But we have a problem. It's not a big deal though. The beginning of the inspo I showed her was different from what she made, which I didn't mind honestly, because it's not like it's bad though, and I was saying this beginning a lot of people's head. The next design is the heart shape, which I feel the hand should have been more thinner than that. Either ways, my hair came out nice. This part is also another heart shape. This one kind of looks like letter M. I think this is one that should have been thinner, the mouth. The heart kept coming. The lower part is zigzag up, then another heart shape. Trust me, it's not ending soon. So no extension was added while making, not until we got to the front part, because I'm just joking. My hair is quite short there, so a little extension was added, and as you can see, it was so painful. The hairstyle is not painful, just that front part, because there is no hair there. I think I said the heart was not ending soon. Yeah, and we are still going to have another one right in the middle there. She braided one part down so it won't confuse her and mix with what she's doing, which she ended up losing, by the way. And guys, we are done with the hair. I was so happy because it felt like it was not ending soon. So she took this crochet pin, I think that's what it's called, to hide the last strand. I mean, it's called bowed braid for a reason. You must not know where the hair ends. We were done with the hair here. She started trimming it, like the parts that were out, and she added oil sheen so it can shine and looks new, because it is actually new. She did my edges, sweeping some hair that were out, and that's it. This is where I'm going to be ending today's video. Thank you guys for sticking to the very end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video. So wrap it. So wrap it. This is past 2. I just got to 4. After we agreed on 10 yesterday.